National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 1:22 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Allentown, Bethlehem, Emmaus, Northampton, Hellertown, Nazareth, Bath, Steuben, Lehigh University, Beersville, Danielsville, and Zionsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 56 and 69. Northeast extension between mile markers 46 and 53. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads.